service to London Paddington.
So yeah, and I'm gonna get the lip fillers. I'm really scared. My lips
We'll
look
be
like
calling
that.
at Truro, St Austell, Farrah.
I don't think so. Can you zoom in? And breathe out. The last girl that tried to do this passed out, well, nearly passed out by watching herself. Do you remember? Tiani. Do you remember the makeup artist that wanted to blog it?
Yeah.
Breathe in. And breathe out.
She just went, oh, she had her lips done, they look amazing.
Hey guys, so I'm currently back home. This is what my lips look like at the moment. Let me turn the light on so you guys can see what my lips look like. Very bruised and very swollen around this area. I did get 0.6, I think she did. It was originally 0.5, but you can't really see what's going on at the moment until this swelling and all of this goes down. It doesn't hurt, like it looks like it's sore. It doesn't hurt at all.
This is a lot of food, girl. So your dad's going to cook part of it, I'm going to cook part of it. This is what we're doing. I'm going to cook my part of the best. Justin thinks he's like the master.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about my experience getting lip fillers. So the person I went with is called K Aesthetics. They're a company, however they are located in different parts of the UK such as Bristol, Plymouth, Torquay, Truro, which is where I got them done. I'd been stalking their Instagram for about 3 months, and as well a few of my friends had lip fillers done by them as well, and they looked awesome, so that kind of prompted me to get them even more. How the day went: I went up to Truro. My appointment was at 4 o'clock, however it got pushed back until 4:30. I got into Truro at 2:30, and I was looking around. I received a text at 3 o'clock saying this: "Hi Farrah, you have an appointment with us this evening at 4 p.m. Please could you arrive at 4:30? Is that possible, please? Thank you." I got 2 text messages saying the same thing, and then replied back saying, yeah, that's okay. Now, because I had been in Truro for about an hour at that point, and waiting until 4:30, I didn't have anything to do, so I just thought I'd go to the salon and basically sit there and wait. So I arrived at the salon at 4 o'clock, even though I already knew in my head I wasn't going to get the treatment done until 4:30. I had numbing cream all along my lips, and I was sat there until 4:30 waiting for the numbing cream to kind of settle into my lips. Couldn't feel a thing, felt like I was dribbling. And then she removed the cream and took me to the room of where I was going to get my lip fillers done. She sat me down, she cleaned all my lip. The top lip didn't hurt at all, however the bottom bit, I could feel that one. The only reason why I feel like that one hurt more is because when I used to have the horizontal lip ret, the piercing, ever since then my lips, the bottom lip has been kind of sensitive. Like, it's healed over, it's just with that piercing that was there, I don't know, I felt like it made it a lot more sensitive. But it was a really weird sensation. I could feel the filler go into my lips. It was very weird. So I still have bruising now, however I've covered it out with foundation and makeup, so you can't see anything. This side of my lip here is still very swollen. My lips are still very swollen in general. But yeah, I'm really happy with the results. I don't know, I'll probably do another updated video 2 weeks later, of a 2 weeks update on my lips, so you guys can keep in touch and see how they are. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, please subscribe, and get me to 100, and I'll see you guys soon.